name is M. Yasin Basha, Advocate Adoni. I am practicing at Adoni Bar Association since 27 years. On behalf of my client, in the year 2015, I had filed a suit for partition against the defendant. Both parties are governed by Muslim law. At the time of institution of the civil suit, I have also filed an application seeking a relief of not to alienate the social property to third person till the disposal of the suit. On the strength of my submission made by before the district judge, the honorable district judge was pleased to granted ad interim injunction restraining the respondent not to alienate the petition scheduled property to anybody. During the pendency of the suit, the defendant who is contesting sold the property that is called under law pendent light. The sale is not valid. It is a during the pendency of the suit, anybody alienates the property, it is called pendent light. It is not valid sale transaction. Anyhow, I have also filed an application to intimate the injunction order to the sub-registrar Yemengnur by way of any official letter. That application was allowed by the honorable district judge, and also the honorable district judge had sent a official letter to the sub-registrar Yemengnur informing him not to register any kind of deed or the petition scheduled property. The sub-registrar Yemengnur had received the official memo of the honorable court and locked the property as prohibited property. It is impossible registration during the pendency of the suit unless and until a letter is sent either by the plaintiff counsel or by the defendant counsel after the disposal of the suit. Then only the law permits both the parties to alienate the property, to purchase or to sell. Though the official memo is on the record of the sub-registrar Yemengnur, she ignored the court orders, violated the court orders, and register the petition scheduled property in the name of third person, which is illegal and offense. The sub-registrar Yemengnur has not any right or not having any locus standi to register the property in the name of anybody when there is a court order. So the present Suninda lady sub-registrar Yemengnur has disobedience of the injunction order, violated the injunction of the honorable district judge. So I have filed an application today to send the sub-registrar Yemengnur in a civil prison for 3 months. It is pending and it is coming up for hearing. Then the honorable district judge will issue a show cause notice to the sub-registrar Yemengnur why you should not be punishable under civil prison for 3 months. So the act of the sub-registrar is violated and it is illegal act done by sub-registrar Yemengnur. Thank you.